Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage focus lever setting on your FUJIFILM X-M5. So first, what you guys want to do is click on the menu button right here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna scroll a little bit up. We want to make sure that we enter the button and dial setting. So we are right here. Now this is on the first page, the first option, and we got the focus lever setting. Now we can change the push right here. We can edit the focus area by clicking here. We can edit everything. We can also zoom in on the active focus area, and here we can also edit the tilt. And that's basically what we can do here. So we can adjust the size and position of the focus of the camera. And if you basically set it to everywhere, then basically it will track wide zones. So practically anything that it sees. So that's how you guys can change the focus lever setting. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.